How to find story memories on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you find story memories or old stories on your Facebook account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open Facebook app with your account, and now from here you will have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from here you will have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy, and now from here tap on settings. Okay, so from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go the option like stories. So simply tap on this story. Okay, so from here, make sure that you have turned on these features like archiving your stories. So you have to turn on this from here. And now after this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like activity log. So it usually appear at the your activity section. So simply tap on this activity log. Alright, so from the activity log, you'll have to just tap on your Facebook activity. And now from this section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like stories. So simply tap on this manage story option. Alright, so from this story section, you'll go to options like archive. So simply tap on this archive option. Alright, so from here you can easily find the storage memories on Facebook, or you can see old storage on this section. So right now I have not any old memories or storage on my Facebook account, so here is no any items in this section. So this is the easiest and simplest method to find memories or old storage from your Facebook account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.